Okay. Um, yeah, this is my first video. I don't know really how to, make a YouTube video, but we're just gonna play free-for-all on Modern Warfare. Yeah, that wasn't true. I lied. Gunfight. If it loads, it's loading.
Gunfight.
Yes.
Eliminate
So
all
if you
enemies
notice
or
my
capture the
controller is
overtime
drifting,
flag to win.
just a little bit. If you see that.
Time to earn a living.
Okay. Here we go. Where they at? I don't know. They
10 seconds.
awesome. That is just awesome. And he was right there.
Objective on the field. Move to intercept. We've set the tempo. Keep it up next round.
Alright, let's get another try. Right here. Staying on the ground this time. Awesome! Just awesome. This is awesome. So this is my first
10
game on.
seconds.
Yeah, I suck that bad.
Go, secure the position. We're losing ground. Take it back. All right, get to work.
Watch him be up there again. Hit marker. Watch, he thinks I'm coming. Come on! Almost hit them with that. Okay, okay. No.
10 seconds.
Come on, that hit him!
Behind you. We've got work to do.
This is retarded. This is stupid. And I didn't even get hit by him. Wait, was that my teammate? Yes, I am that stupid. So, nope, they're not gonna be up here this time. Oh shoot, they're coming up. Boom! Let's go! First kill. Probably the last. Alright.
10 seconds.
Yes, he's still up there.
We've
Yes,
taken
30
the advantage. Make sure we keep
Yeah, let's go.
it. Find them and kill them.
That had to hurt. But not really, because it's a video game.
That's 2 wins
You
down.
suck.
Keep
You
pushing.
suck. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, kid. Bro, you're so bad at the game, bro. You suck. Alright, they're gonna be up there. Yeah, let's go. Watch him come around. He got hit by that? Didn't think he would get hit by that, sticky bomb.
3 in a row. Get ready for the next one.
Both of them died by my fingers. By my hands. They're both dead. Let's go.
Remember, it's just business.
Remember, no rushing. I don't know if this is, okay, so it's not. Peek, come on. Please. Oh. Okay,
Match point. Another round.
stop
We claim
recording.
victory.
But I won last round. But not because I killed them, but because I had more health. Look at this dude. Look, I just had to warm up. That's it. I'm gonna quick scope this dude. Dude! Did this guy just kill himself, or like... Because I didn't throw that. I didn't do that. Or did my teammate do that? I think my teammate did that. Watch. Quick scope.
10
There we go.
seconds.
Right here.
Objective on the field. Move to intercept.
Come on. Oh, no. Oh, so we have more health.
It pays.
Yay, you suck at the game. You suck. You suck. You suck. We're better. We're better. We're better than you. You suck.
We're gonna have some fun.